New signs of a coronavirus surge in Missouri. Thank you for joining us. I'm Samantha Jones. Here are the latest numbers. The Missouri Department of Health reported more than 2,300 new coronavirus cases in just the last 24 hours. That is a record high in the daily number. The state also reported 121 additional deaths today, but once again, officials say some of those deaths occurred back as far as August. And the state says the 7-day positivity rate increased to 19.3% today. That's also a new high. In addition, doctors with the St. Louis Pandemic Task Force are concerned about an increase in the number of patients hospitalized with COVID-19 in the St. Louis region. There are currently 322 people in the hospital. That's the highest number since May 19th. The 7-day average of hospitalizations has also increased to more than 300 patients. Tonight, the St. Louis Pandemic Task Force is also weighing in on the coronavirus restrictions in St. Louis County. The task force issuing a letter saying they do not support 3 bills that would limit the powers of the county executive and the director of public health. The News 4's Ashley Lincoln got a hold of that letter and has more.
It's been a matter of opinions regarding who should have the final say on extending public health orders for St. Louis County.
This virus is still with us, still very contagious, and still deadly.
Saturday, the St. Louis Metropolitan Pandemic Task Force weighing in, supporting County Executive Sam Page. In this letter, they say they back Page's decision-making, citing that during this pandemic, St. Louis County has performed significantly better than other jurisdictions in suppressing transmission. News 4 told you this week the county was scheduled to vote on 3 bills. They're focused on should the council have more deciding power over the county executive and the health director about the COVID-19 pandemic.
So any talk of loosening restrictions at this point is irresponsible and premature.
Tuesday, county leaders tried reading more than 2,000 public comments about these bills.
We need health authorities telling us what to do during pandemic times, not people who do not want to wear masks.
One bill says any mandate lasting more than 15 days would require the council's approval. If the bills pass, orders like the mask mandate and occupancy restrictions would expire in that 15-day time frame.
We were the first hit and the hardest hit in Missouri. We saw what was happening in other parts of the country, and we took measures to protect the health and safety of our county residents.
Councilmember Tim Fitch, who backs 2 of the bills, says they're not intended to take away control, but provide oversight.
That's our job as a legislative branch of government. We oversee the executive branch. We don't take away their powers.
The county will make a final vote next week. Ashley Lincoln, News 4.